It was definitely bigger online. This is where this ain't what we thought it was.
Too much money.
Included.
By each other.
What's up, guys? Welcome on White Pre. It's your girl with another video. Okay, so I have not been able to give y'all anything, me packing, me doing anything, because y'all, I was almost late. Yes, me. So I'm now in Charlotte, North Carolina. I literally just got to the spot and they're already calling for my people on the plane, but it's until 9:41. So my phone has been dead, y'all. I got on the plane with 7%. I got to the airport and we literally had to drive around like 5 times because there was no one working until 4. So I had to go to a different number to check my bag. I'm so tired. I have not slept. So I gave myself some edges. Okay. But yeah, I have not slept. I couldn't even hold my neck up on the plane. But that was good because I had the window. I don't know where my friend is at.
Once again, please have the correct boarding pass in hand with your passports open. Thank you.
I don't know where my friend's at because she's supposed to be on this flight. I feel like I didn't think we were going to be on separate ones because it made sense. It made sense when we were talking about our time. So I just texted her to see where she's at. But other than that, I'm probably going to go to sleep on this flight too. It's 4 hours 15 minutes from Charlotte to Aruba. So, oh, my jacket or my little shirt, it says yes.
And Group 5, you're welcome aboard Aruba flight A74
and they're eating it up.
Group 5,
they love the shirt.
This one I bet you I no get time, da cover my face, calling me Biggie man, we do what's it going? Chiva come, all depends. The captain, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it going? Chiva come, all depends. The captain, ride the whip.
Alright, y'all, I do not have my cap on, but this is what's going on. So my friend booked it, but she didn't give me the reservation to catch the ride, the bus. So I've been here since around 2 o'clock. It's now 2:24. I just have to wait on her. She's gonna be a little bit later than me, literally. Like, she'll be out here soon, hopefully. And so yeah, I'm just chilling, but we're here. So yeah, I gotta wait on her to get here before we can do anything. I need to go put my wig cap. I need to pull my wig cap forward. It looks like the edges are not separated. Y'all see that? It's in there though. So now I just gotta make sure I keep an eye out. And I'm not lying, they love my jacket. It's not a jacket, they love my shirt because I don't have a shirt on underneath it. Okay, so I did not like how I was looking when I came on here. So I had to put some concealer, you know what I'm saying? Now I look like the edges are working. Anyways, it is now 2:28 and my friend, I saw that my message was delivered to her, so she just landed. She's talking about, they said they don't have no shuttles for us. They're not about to give me, because the hotel is 12 minutes away, and so the person at the hotel said that it would be about $20 to $25. Oh, okay, so then they're gonna see me and try to bump it up to $40. No thank you, we gotta get on one of them shuttles. So I'm gonna wait on her to come out so that we can figure this thing out and go. I've been sitting here for an hour. I'm hungry. My belly has been tumbling, doing cartwheels, having a field day by itself. Okay. look nice now, so it's up from here. As soon as we get in there, I'm gonna use the bathroom. Maybe my belly has been tumbling, and then I'm gonna go downstairs and see what they're serving to eat. Cause I've been here for, all right, yeah, like an hour and a half now. So yeah, let's see what Aruba got in store for us. So we're going in this van. Not all the way back there. Shut up there. Oh, it's so hot. It is. It's hot, yeah, it's hot. So anyways, y'all, he's taking us to the hotel for $20, but we only got 19. Cause that ATM machine was being funny. Oh, it's her birthday week. So we out here.
From the thing them call a broken heart, this blessed love will never part. You don't know it from the start, but tell them say I don't say it. A Sean Paul and Sasha.
Baby, make me sweat. I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby?
I don't say dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Well, I'm a hustler and a player, and you know I'm not a stayer. That's a dirty love.
Oh wow! Hola. Thank you. This is nice. Yeah. This is where that boat will come pick us up. So online they were talking about that it stinks here, but we asked to be on the end that it doesn't stink at. But they said it only stinks right here when the boat come around to pick us up to take us to that private flamingo island. So, but yeah, it's cute. I was a little worried when we were coming in. So, but it's cute. Let's see what else is happening while my friend is checking in. And ooh, and I'm hella hungry, so I'm just trying to come back. Yo, I'm just trying to come back for the buffet, if we're being honest. So this is what it looks like. Yeah. Uh-oh. Open it. Huh? Okay. Yeah, welcome to the crib. So, upon arrival, they said this is an elite room. This. And then, I know, right? We're gonna have to be squeezing by each other. Can you imagine? This is the place. It was definitely bigger online. Even the tub is small. This is cute. I like this little, I think it's a farmer's thing. Then this is the bedroom, y'all. Look at the lumps. Oh my gosh, this is a twin size bed? Queen? This ain't no queen. Double? Yeah, it's a double. Full. A full, yeah. So this is what the bedroom looks like. Y'all, we have been bamboozled. We better have a good time. We better have a good time. Ooh, I like that. I don't even know if the camera can see it. I like that. Now we got a Romeo and Juliet balcony. We can't do nothing but put our toes out here. With the smoker section. I don't know what the fuck made this room elite. I thought they said we had a view.
I sure like to know what the fuck made this room elite. And I got enough sense to go and ask her.
No, because I thought we were at.
My room at home is bigger than this. I ain't lying. I just feel
Like we've been played. This ain't what we thought it was.
Too much money
To not have nothing included.
squeezing by each other.
Y'all, we gonna be bumping elbows in here. They got us online. It was different. Maybe a 1-bedroom was different because a 1-bedroom probably had more space.
This room and it just looked bigger. It's like, where's the storage, bitch?
They used the camera. They used the wide lens camera. So yeah, the food is not even included into this $1,500.
$650 a night.
$650 a night? It's $650 a night for some food. For some food? Oh no, we gonna find something. We gonna figure it out.
Like, that's okay. That's okay. Because we got nice restaurants to go to.
Yeah, you got it on your list?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we can. Yeah.
Yeah, she can go to that.
Yeah, $22 for breakfast.
So is she basically saying like that we can charge that to the 150?
Yeah, like the 150 is whatever we eat is already gonna be on the 150 that they hold. But if we don't eat from the 150 because we find something cheaper or better, they just give it back on the card. They have too much going on and they should have put that online. They should have put that online.
And nowhere did they say the all-inclusive starts on 4 nights. Nowhere.
Yeah, they also said all-inclusive starts on 4 nights. We're here for 3 nights. So yeah, they got us. To add another night, it is $1,400.
And I saw her face
So it would have been over $2,000 something for 4 days. That's crazy.